Hello, good evening mga ka-Jokrats. I'm here now at Qatar Museum. Hindi na diting bawal? Kay museum na di? I'm here now. This is the entrance of Qatar Museum. Then, dali lang tayo kay ano ka na yung sagwa. This is the view outside the Qatar Museum mga ka-Jokrats. Yeah? Yeah, just wait. This is the fountain in outside the entrance of Qatar Museum. Ah, ito na. Kasama ko si Kawalwal Roning. Kay si Kawalwal Rosinda nandun sa burritos niya na restaurant. Ay, dulom natin. Off na ya. Hindi na siguro pa silang pasulod. I'm here. Kasi bawal mas ano? Bawal ko ang video. Ha? Yeah, ba? We have security. Yes, I'm going inside that Qatar Museum here. Wala. I'm here inside that Qatar Museum. Oy, not allowed? Ay, not allowed.